If you're selling products or services online, especially anything over $100, then this might be the most important video you watch all year. The team here at SamCart has just made one of the biggest checkout page optimization breakthroughs since we launched in 2015. And today, you can start using it to get up to 30% more customers for every product or service that you sell. Introducing Buy Now, Pay Later. Over the last few months, we have partnered with the leading Buy Now, Pay Later providers to bring Affirm, Klarna, and Afterpay to your checkout process on SamCart. These new payment methods are proven to boost conversions by up to 30% across the board. Plus, if you're currently selling expensive products or anything with a payment plan, you'll never need to chase down another customer who are late on those payments again. Before today, selling expensive products or services has been a pretty tough road. Most of your potential customers take one look at your big price tag and get the pricing pause. It's that inevitable big decision moment before someone goes about spending that kind of money. And to overcome that objection, lots of us use simple payment plans available inside of every single SamCart account to let your customers break up that payment into smaller payments over time. But here's the problem with that approach. You end up with your best coaching, consulting, services, or courses on these ridiculously long payment plans, waiting months and months for all of that revenue to actually hit your bank account. But the even bigger problem is that the SamCart database proves that the average payment plan only survives 4.5 months before lost, stolen, or expired credit cards start eating away at your profits, leaving you with only a fraction of all that revenue in the end. Well, the good news is this Buy Now, Pay Later technology solves all of those problems at the same time. Enabling Buy Now, Pay Later on your checkout pages gives your customers a brand new, trusted option to make their purchase with Affirm, Klarna, and Afterpay, and lets them break up their payments over time while you get paid the full entire balance up front. These new options result in you getting 30% more customers to buy. Plus, you don't need to worry about chasing down failed payments. Imagine seeing 30% more of your hard-earned traffic and leads turning into paying customers. Imagine having the extra cash flow to reinvest back into Facebook or Google ads. Imagine pulling more profit out of your business as customers start spending more. That's the power of Buy Now, Pay Later. And as of today, you can turn it on inside of your SamCart account in seconds. If you don't have a SamCart account yet, just head over to samcart.com and start a 100% free trial today. Within minutes, you will have the internet's most powerful checkout experience live for your new customers, so you can sit back, relax, and watch your sales take off. To learn more about how to get Buy Now, Pay Later on your SamCart checkouts, head over to our knowledge base article at help.samcart.com. We'll walk you through everything you need to know. Get the right tools in your toolbox. Get SamCart, powering your digital product sales today.